stressful.
Yeah, we dropped the ball.
This is Brayden's backpack, his camera bag. It's quite heavy. Ugh.
Not too bad. We should probably weigh it, to be honest.
Yeah, hopefully they don't weigh our carry-on because we're screwed. We got weighed for carry-on at Singapore Airlines check-in. First flight at Sydney Airport.
It wasn't even a question either. She wasn't like, do you want to pay the extra baggage or anything? It was just, you need to lose weight. Like, now.
So we scrambled and put lots of valuable stuff in our check-in. So now we're going to have to ship a lot of our stuff home from Japan.
So much stuff.
Because Australia Post isn't open yet. Oh well.
Fail number one.
Fail number one on day one.
Yeah, off to a cracker.
To explain ourselves, we got married a few days ago and we've been very busy and we left packing until the last minute.
Not by choice. We had to.
We literally had no time to pack. What's the date today?
Today's... I have no idea.
It's 2 days before our wedding.
25th, so 3 days.
Wait, no, 3 days. It's Wednesday.
Yeah, but it
Wednesday
is...
Wednesday the 25th.
It is 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah, we were supposed to pack today during daylight hours, but time just goes like that.
Especially when you're planning a wedding.
And a 4-month honeymoon.
Yeah. Absolutely insane.
And we had to pack for 4.5 months. We've never done that before. And for 2 different seasons, winter and autumn.
Well, we might look back at this and laugh, but at this stage...
Especially, I'll laugh when I look at this gigantic pile of clothing here. This is not going to work. Usually in our experience, only budget airlines weigh your carry-on. So we cut it down to 24 kilos each for checked, but like 12 kilos each for carry-on.
It was so dumb.
I've already decided I'm not going to pack my flanos.
Good work.
It's one thing out of the pile. When is the stress going to end?
Anyway.
We're going to go eat something and go and board our flight.
Yeah. See you, bye.
Well, off to Singapore.
Have a jungle juice.
It's just what I needed, a green smoothie to calm me down. We're going to Singapore. First stop.
First stop.
Singapore Airport. Just figuring out how much time we've got here. We board at 4 o'clock. It's now 1:45. So we've got 2-ish hours to check out this airport. There's a lot to do here, so let's go. First stop, we're going to the Jewel, and you've got to catch the Sky Train. We're in Terminal 3. I'm going to catch the Sky Train in Terminal 2.
Ready.
There it is. Can't see it, really. Next is the Butterfly Garden.
Well, that's sweet. I didn't know that you could go. I thought you could only go through the...
Immigration.
Through the waterfall, yeah.
Nah, it's all in the airport. Let's go. We're in the Butterfly Garden and it's like 30 degrees out here. It's so hot. But there's little butterflies everywhere. They're really pretty.
Last flight for today. Tokyo.
Yeah.
Now from here to Tokyo, catching some weird train, then sleeping in a bus, then sleeping in a pod. Right, let's do that.
Gentlemen, very warm welcome boarding service SQ 630 bound for Tokyo Haneda. I'm the captain for this afternoon, and my name is Peter Lawrence, and with me assisting me today is Flight Deck Captain Commander First Officer Aaron Yu.
Somehow I need to find a SIM card in this airport, but it's 1 o'clock in the morning and nothing looks like it's open. So we can't find a SIM card. I don't know how we're going to get to our capsule hotel.
So we need to get through immigration, find a SIM card.
Yeah, and then I think catch a bus, but then that lady on the plane was saying there's no buses.
We are killing this. Success.
Yeah, we found a SIM card. When we got out of customs, there was like a little stand.
Yeah, super easy to find.
Yeah.
But it was 6,600 yen, which with the current booming Australian exchange rate worked out to be about $90. But that's 30 days of limited data. Now we just go activate it and then find some sort of transport to our pod.
So for 2 limousine bus tickets, that was 4,000 yen, which is about 60 Australian dollars. I'm just about to jump on.
It's an awkward height. Waited 9 hours. We got married 2 days ago. And now she's going that way and I'm going that way. Separate pods.
At this time. 3:30.
And we check out at 10. Totally worth it. See you in the morning. Always looking after me. Night, darling. Hi. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm fairly well loving on her. I married her the other day. A little bit of a problem here, Kate. I can only imagine how your bag's going.
Okay, I'm filming on my iPhone. This is really weird. I need to find the lock of 508. I don't know if my bag will fit in here. Okay, my bag only just fit in here.
Checked out.
Yeah, good morning. We checked out at our capsule hotel.
That was awesome. I really liked it.
I liked it too, but it was really stressful for me in the morning because there was all these girls getting ready and I couldn't get my bag out of the locker. It was stuck.
Yeah, there was so many dudes on my side too. Like I couldn't move. Especially with these giant bags.
I know giant bags are not a thing in these capsule hotels. I would not recommend. Mine, I had to stuff mine into the locker, and then I could not get it out in the morning. I was like sweating profusely. It was so stressful.
Yeah, I had to take all Caitlin's stuff out of my bag just to get my bag in.
Yeah, and all my tops and stuff were in your bag, and I kept like forgetting because the showers were on a different level, so I would keep getting in the elevator to go up to the shower level, and then I'd realise I'd forgotten something downstairs. I was so flustered this morning, but last night it was good checking in.
Yeah, streamlined. And I slept like 8 or 8.
Yeah, I slept well.
That was so good.
The pillow was kind of hard, but like.
I slept on my jumper.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, would recommend.
Yeah, we stayed at 9 hours in Shinjuku North. It was really good.
Yeah, we're trying to get these giant bags onto a train.
Yeah, now we've got to get to our Airbnb, drop off our luggage.
And then try and send a lot of it back to Australia.
We're gonna, since we're wasting like part of the day checking into our Airbnb anyway, we've decided we're just gonna use this day to like
remedy our mistakes.
Yeah, no more big, huge, heavy bags.
Alright, let's do this.
So take with you 1,000 kisses. All my wishes, all I know is here to stay. Never go away, let me hear you say.